Hi, my name is Vinny McKenzie with Anjon Manufacturing, and today I'd like to talk a little bit about our Monsoon series pumps. These pumps are submersible pumps. They're great for koi ponds, pondless waterfalls, floating fountains, water walls, just about any type of feature that you can think of. There is a Monsoon pump that's suitable for that feature. The Monsoon 550 up to the 6100 can also be ran inline. We do not recommend that with the larger Monsoons. All of the Monsoons, the entire series, is asynchronous drive motors or hybrid drive motors. So the 550 up to the 6100 can be ran on variable speed controllers to dial back the flow and find that perfect flow for your pump and your feature. All of these pumps contain no oil, so they will be fish and wildlife safe. They also have high quality seals to help extend the pump life. All of these pumps are also backed by our 2-year manufacturer's warranty. If you have any questions, please feel free to reach out to Anjon Manufacturing or your nearest Anjon distributor. Thank you.